Today we will be seeing all of my airplanes and UFOs and helicopters, including this big airplane over here. And we are going to go through them from smallest to largest. First, the tiniest one in my collection is this UFO eraser, and next, and a bigger one than that is this rocket eraser, and even bigger than that is this helicopter, which is just the tiniest helicopter that I have in my collection. And next up, we have this aeroplane, which is just a thing where you just go like this. Next, we have this helicopter, which is just a Hot Wheels. And as you see, it's just a little bendy over here, so just don't mind it here. And next we have this plane, which is just a propeller plane, and it's from a thing called Super Wings. And these three planes are also. Next we have this helicopter, which is also from the show, which is from this here. And also these two planes are also from the same show, so I don't want you to forget it again. And next we have the third largest in my collection, which is like the fifth largest thing in that show, but it's just this, which is just an airplane that can go into water, of course. Next, we have this super rocket, which is one of my favorites from the show. Even this is one of my favorites, which is this one. And yeah. Did I forget to tell you this? Or yeah. Next, we have this thing, which is just a Hot Wheels car, except I think it's like a little bit larger from these. But it looks kind of like a plane, and if it goes up in the air, it will just go like 500 meters or so. Next, we have this plane, which is, and we also have this yellow plane from here, which is also from the time we got from here. And also the same with this. Yeah, those three are the same size, so yeah. Oh, I forgot this. This is like a thing larger than these two. Yeah, of course. So don't mention me so don't just comment on me for doing that, okay? And next we have this helicopter, which is just a Hot Wheels, and this is also one of my favorite helicopters in there. Next we have this Mustang thingy here, and wait a minute, isn't this 1186? Nah, but it's from a company called Matchbox, of course. Yeah, it's just a fighter plane. Next, I think we have this, or this, I think, or something, but I'll go with this. So this is just a helicopter, like a safety first helicopter, of course. Next, we have this racing helicopter, which is super fun, and of course, like that. Well, these three things go in the same set. Yeah. Of course, my brother, he wanted my mom to buy it for him, so he's just crying and crying a lot. Yeah, next I think we have this or not or something or like this here, of course, but it's not very bigger than this, but in silence than this it's bigger. So yeah, but I think this is the same size as the Mustang. Yeah. And next we have the Star Wars thing which has stormtroopers inside of it trying to invade the Jedi's, of course. Yeah. And it's like super duper. Next we have the Sky Shark, which is just a shark in the sky, I think. But if you look over here, it has its tail is just a fan. How funny! Next we have this helicopter, which is just an Action News 4 thing. Well, I don't know what kind of news that is, but I'll just try to get it. And these two are from where we went for vacation, which is just our homeland, which is where we got these things here. This and this and this. That's where we got them from. And this is also where we got them. Except these things, we got them like years ago, of course. Like when I was 5 or 6. Yeah, and next we have this thing which is also the same, except it's a plane. A plane, get it? A plane. But for this one, it has like one missing thing over here. You guessing what it is? Next we have this Super Wings jet, which is like the same as a plane. What I don't know what his name is. I think his name is GETT, of course. Yeah, and this one, he looks like an airplane whose name is Old MacDonald, because he has a mustache here, which is just like so funny. Next, I think we have this over here, which is just a Southwest Airlines thing. But since my brother wanted it to go, he just let it go. And this is what its name is here. Okay, now next we have this American Airlines, which is just American Airlines, of course. Except he got these wheels over here, which is just kind of disappointing to me. Yeah, next we have this airplane here, which is just a Lego Duplo. Of course, a Lego Duplo, get it? It's just a baby's version of Legos than the original Legos thing. Well, there's a video about the story of Legos, so yeah, it's in the Legos channel, of course, or something. Next, we have this over here, which is one of the Transformer jets. Yeah, except its part, which is in the bedroom, has one missing leg thing, of course. Yeah. Next, we have this over here. No, I meant this over here, which is kind of a little bit smaller than this, except it's a little bit bigger. Yeah. And this is also one of the things that we got from the land of spices, which they also call India. And Next we have this colorful airplane, which is just super colorful, of course. Next we have this thing, this airplane, which also has jets on it and a propeller thing. Yeah. And next we have this super giant airplane, which is just a jumbo plane, of course. And over here it can do lights on in there and just dance around while just dancing to the music. Yeah. And this is what it's like. And look at this thing. It's called King Air. Yeah. Like my county in here. So hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Kids Fun Facts. Bye.
Subscribe and click bell icon.